Hello everyone, today we are going to go over the push-to-talk calling feature in DialMyCalls. To get to the push-to-talk section, click on Tools and then Push-to-Talk. Here is where you will be able to control your push-to-talk funds. The minimum required deposit is $25 and you can set up auto-replenish so that you never run out of funds. Give your voice broadcast recipients the ability to push 0 during the call to transfer to a live person on your end. Using push-to-talk will cost 5 cents per minute on connected calls. Once you have set up your push-to-talk funds, it is now time to use it on a voice broadcast. Click on New Broadcast and then select the phone option. Select your contacts and then your caller ID for the call. Click on Show next to Extra Features to view the push-to-talk option. Here you will select the number that contacts will be forwarded to, the ringtone they will hear while being connected, and if you want to set up call throttling for your call. You can control how many calls per minute DialMyCalls sends out. Once you have the push-to-talk options set up, continue through the process by selecting your recording, naming your broadcast, and choosing if you want it sent immediately or scheduled for a later date and time. After your broadcast using push-to-talk is sent, you can view the detailed call report to see how many of your recipients used the feature. That wraps up our video on the push-to-talk calling feature in DialMyCalls. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086, our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.